This is the SAP Developer News for March 19th, 2026.
Hello everyone. We are halfway through the March Developer Challenge on Joule's ABAP AI capabilities, and we would like to thank all of you for the amazing responses we have been receiving for the past 2 weeks. As you might know, week 3 is already live and we are focusing on wrap predict business logic to create a sample code by passing a simple prompt. We have one more week remaining and we are excited to hear even more great responses. Till then, stay tuned.
Hey folks, it's Rich Heilman and Vitaly here in Las Vegas for SAP Insider 2026. Today we did a 2-hour hands-on session on Joule Studio, which was good. Lots of good questions. And tomorrow we're going to repeat that and we're going to do a Joule for Developers in SAP Build and Joule for Developers ABAP edition as well. Where we'll show everyone how to use Joule to speed up their development process. And you did a hands-on session this morning.
Yes, and I did a session on how to use SAP HANA Cloud vector engine capabilities to build retrieval augmented generation. Lots of people are talking about agents right now, but a lot of customers are doing RAG-based AI applications. So it was good to refresh this content and as well to mention that we still keep investing in some of the capabilities in SAP HANA Cloud Vector Engine, like, for example, the very recently run new encoder models. Yes.
Cool, very cool. Yeah, so we got a couple more hands-on sessions and I think we're going to get out of here and get on to the next one. So bye for now.
Take out time and some nice.
Hola, SAP developers. There is a new edition available for SAP Integration Suite, which includes lots of goodies. This is the new Enhanced Edition. From an AI perspective, it includes features that were only previously available in the Premium Edition. For example, iFlow generation using natural language, script optimization to analyze, refactor, and optimize Groovy or JavaScript scripts, API anomaly detection, and API traffic prediction to help you manage your APIs. Apart from that, you also get access to the entire suite of integration capabilities, an advanced event mesh broker for your event-driven architecture scenarios, SAP Document AI to turn unstructured data into structured data, the alert notification service for monitoring, transport management service to move artifacts across landscapes without manual exports. So lots of stuff. Make sure to check out Tricia's blog post on SAP Community to get all the details. Hasta luego.
Hello everyone. The February release of copy edit documentation is out. First, we have an exciting update, live queries in the documentation. Yes, you have heard that right. You can now run CDS queries directly in your browser. You can view the query results along with the corresponding SQL statements. You can also edit the query by typing in the box, making it your own personal playground to experiment with, and no setup is required. Coming to Node.js updates, parallel get calls are now supported in the OData batch request. For draft-enabled entities, calculated elements can now be reliably used for values display in the UI or for implementing the UI behavior. Starting with CapJS SQLite version 2.2.0, you can leverage the native Node.js SQL implementation by setting cvs.requires.dp.driver to Node. Coming to Java updates, important changes include using a reference as a value for substrate, prefix, or suffix in the contains, starts with, or ends with function is now rejected. Performance improvements have been made for requests related to Fiori draft list report all filter, deletion of inactive drafts during the draft activation, and hierarchical selects. Tooling updates includes a new query mode in CDS REPL is available via the .ql command. CAD now supports version 10 of ESLint, and for the Cloud Foundry, CDS up can now be adjusted using MTA extensions. For more details, visit the Gabaya documentation. Links will be included in the description.
If you use the SAP Business Technology Platform, and more specifically, if you're using the BTP CLI or the Terraform providers to help you manage your resources there, then your feedback is sought. The team has a couple of feedback surveys open right now, running through April as well, so you've still a little bit of time. One feedback survey for the BTP CLI and the other for the Terraform providers. This is a great opportunity for you to provide your opinions and share with the team how you're using the tools and also, where you see room for improvement. Links to both surveys, which, as I mentioned, are running sort of through April, are in the description. After this news episode finishes, why not grab a coffee and head over and give your opinion right now? Thanks.
Did you know that you can configure an AI orchestration flow in AI Launchpad and use it to configure the orchestration client from the SAP Cloud SDK for AI within a CAP project? It allows you to configure templating, content filtering, data masking, grounding, and more. You can download the configuration and read it from file into your orchestration client or directly paste the JSON string from AI Launchpad into your project. At any point, you can upload the configuration back to AI Launchpad to make changes or directly change the config inline of your project.